Want to see someone systematically disprove everything you have read about trading stocks and expose how and why you will consistently lose money if you aren't doing it right? Click the link in the description to check it out for yourself. But now for today's video.
The question, what are the best ways of making money on stock platform? Answer by Ashwin Ramani. Consistency and discipline. Yes, you read it right. Let me explain you with an example justifying the same. There are a lot of ways to make money from stock markets. There are a lot of good trading strategies to make decent money, yet there are very few people who are actually making good money from the markets. Why is it so? Assuming you have learned a strategy, so you think of executing that strategy from the next trading day. Day 1 results in profit and you are happy. Day 2, you apply the same technique and again it ends up in profit. You repeat the same exercise for the remaining trading days of the week and all the days, you end up making money. Next 3 days ends up in loss and you're back to square one again. Now you start evaluating the strategy thinking if this is the right one. Many people, the moment they face a loss or two, hop from one strategy to other in search of a perfect strategy, which doesn't exist. They learn a new technique, make a loss there and again start looking for a better technique. This is where they go wrong, and this is the reason why only 5% of the people in markets are actually making money. People want to become rich overnight. Trading is actually following a rule-based system consistently. You should stick to one strategy and keep working on the same day in and day out. Every strategy available out there will make you money provided you follow them consistently. I have seen very few people follow a rule-based system and they are doing really well. So many people have told me stock market trading is risky. Stock market is not for small people like us. Big players fool small traders and take away their money. LOL, seriously? Why do people even think of something which is not in their control? Agreed, there is an element of risk in trading, but we can always calculate the risk before taking a position. Here discipline plays a key role. Every time you take a trade, make sure the target levels and risk stop loss levels are in place. Calculate the risk you want to bear beforehand and stick to it. For example, if you're willing to bear a loss of 1000 RS for a particular trade, close your position at 1000 RS loss. Many people don't close their position here, market doesn't move as expected and eventually they are forced to sell at a bigger loss. Don't be worried about your stop loss getting hit. 3 out of 10 times, you will go wrong. 7 times you will be making money and that's quite decent. One big loss and there is no capital left to trade. If you're a disciplined trader, your trading life will be smooth and with no worries. To sum it up, follow a rule-based system consistently and bring discipline to your trading. Just follow these 2 things and results will show up definitely. Don't be worried about losses. Loss and profit is a part and parcel of this game. When a team loses 4 to 5 matches in a row, do they stop playing or do the players keep changing their technique? They certainly improve their original technique and follow it with consistency and discipline. They never stop playing the game, right? If they can excel in their field, you can excel in your field as well. Answer by Carrot Abraham. There are many tips on how to invest in the Indian share market. Since the stock prices keep fluctuating, I believe one should invest in shares when they see a good value in the market. When I wanted to be aware of the common tips on how to invest stocks in the market, I had browsed through sites like Money Control, Economic Times, BSE/NSE. Apart from that, I had also gone through articles that people have posted and also trading companies. This one article by Angel Broking is what added to my knowledge on investing shares in the Indian stock market. Here's the link to the article, http://www.illigarg.com/2017/09/s. Sell the losers, retain the winners. Stop chasing tips. Let go of small stuff. The PE ratio is not that important. Resist the temptation to invest in penny stocks. Stick to your strategy. Future first. A long-term perspective. Keep an open mind. Don't worry about taxes. Hope this answer helps you. Answer by Tejas Kode. This is a very subjective question. There are many ways of making money and trading in itself is a vast discipline which cannot be summarized in one answer. Success depends on many aspects ranging from your personal style, level of knowledge, the amount of time you can allocate, your risk tolerance, available capital, preferences, etc. There is no best way. The best way for you may not be for someone else because their situation is entirely different. But if you need general direction because you're new to the stock markets, then I suggest you start as a medium-term investor because it gives you the opportunity to learn about short-term trading and long-term investing. From a middle path, maybe you can find what suits after a bit of experience. I have written a post about different trading styles, you might find it relevant. 10 different types of trading styles, which one is for you? Hope this helps.